how to fix YouTube icon option not showing. Now, sometimes YouTube icon can just go missing from the home screen of your phone. This usually arises in the Android, but sometimes in iPhone as well. So in order to fix that, what you can simply do is first of all go to App Store, go to the search bar and search for YouTube. And right here, instead of an open button right here, if you have an update button, make sure to click on that update button and update the app. That'll fix it from the bugs and that'll fix your problem as well. So that's one of the way to do it. Or else what you can do is just go to home screen, go to settings, slide down, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and after the page loads up, slide down and search for YouTube right here, right? Click on it and go to upload app. Click on upload app and upload the app and reinstall it back again. So what this does is that it clears out the cache, which will fix your problem as well. So this is one of the methods to do it as well. Or else you can also go to settings again and slide down and go to YouTube right here. Click on it and then make sure that you enable this option right here, background app refresh, right? So this will frequently clear up your unwanted cache and then make your YouTube more smooth and effective. So that's how we do it. That's how we fix YouTube icon option not showing. Thank you very much.